Dante's plays, Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad. Turn on the news, a sad state of affairs. Half the people die while the rest of us are splitting hairs. It's a good world gone bad.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today is a huge day for us, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna start installing the windows here in the dormer. Go.
These are custom made, so it's taken a while for them to be made and for us to actually be able to go and pick them up. Plus, we had some issues there for a little bit finding somebody that would do the black on black.
Yeah, so we were going around to a lot of places and trying to do black on black. So not knowing any better, I guess you can't go black on black with vinyl windows. You can do the exterior black, but you can't do the interior black. That was the issue we're having everywhere.
Right.
So we found a place that actually made the windows are actually wood windows. So the interior is black, the exterior is wood, but it's wrapped with black aluminum.
Yes.
So it's not going to be, I guess, out in the elements. It's covered with metal. So
Yep.
what else we got?
That's it. We're ready to get going. I don't foresee this being that difficult to
No,
do.
no.
We were lifting the windows the other day.
They're fairly light.
They are. And these are not the biggest ones. The biggest ones are obviously going to go on the front,
Yep.
but this actually makes me feel like we'll be able to handle that now that I see how light these guys are. So,
Yep. So we're gonna start wrapping around the house wrap and start getting all that stuff up, and then we're gonna install the windows.
all right.
Let's go. So I'm using high strength adhesive. I'm spraying this on now because it's really cold outside. That tape does not like to stick when it's this cold. So this will help it stick to the surface and should work out fine. All right, so we got the bottom layer on already. Looking at the sill. The sill has a little bit of a pitch, so if any water or condensation gets on here, it should flow out and go away from the house and not into the house. So now we're gonna start working our way up and around, and we're actually going, everything starts from bottom and goes up. So when water comes down, it keeps going over the next layer and not going inside the layer behind.
Window openings are wrapped. Josh is hydrated, and we are now ready to install the windows.
So we got 3 of the 4 windows. 1 window's on back order. We wrapped 3 of the 4 windows because Erin grabbed 1 roll of tape versus 2 rolls of tape, like I told her. Miscalculation on her part, obviously. So I would wrap it if I had it, but I don't. So on Tuesday, we're supposed to be picking the 4th window up.
And we will also get the other roll of tape that Josh
Erin
forgot.
So that's it. So I guess for now, I'm gonna get up there real quick. We're gonna silicone caulk around on the tape where the windows can go in. We'll go ahead and put it in. We'll get Erin up there on the ladder. Nice back shot, right? Throw it in there, and we'll screw it in, and we're good to go.
You're lucky I'm entertaining even from behind. Actually, that's not what I meant to say. That's not what I meant to say.
That's good, man. That's freaking close as can be. That's good enough. I'm not gonna even try to move it, to tell you the truth. That's good.
The first window is in.
A lot easier than planned. I mean, we threw the idea around of building a scaffold out here to get it up. We picked it up. It's wasn't that heavy, so we said, screw it. Use extension ladders. We humped up there and got it in.
Yes.
Right? Wasn't
yes.
bad.
Went in easy. It looks amazing. I'm so happy.
He's very excited.
Yes, I'm super excited. One little window.
Yeah, I know. So I know from doing this window, when we do the front windows, though, those are bigger than this guy.
Yes.
A lot bigger, and we're gonna have to do a scaffold for that guy.
Yeah.
So, no big deal. But you're happy.
Yes.
If you're happy, I'm happy.
Yes.
I like it.
I love it. I'm so excited.
Good.
And now we're on to the even easier windows, just the little guys in the front.
Yep.
So,
Cool.
all right.
Let's get it in. So we got the third window in. We had to shim him just a little bit to get him level. I guess the frame might have been a little bit out of whack, so we shimmed him. He's good. Now he's level, he's plumb. I'm gonna start screwing this guy in real quick.
We did a ton of driving around today, trying to plan and prepare for upcoming projects, and at first it seemed like the day was a total bust.
Yeah, a lot of driving on backcountry roads, very windy.
If you're car sick, raise your hand.
The first 2 boiler places were a bust, so we headed east. A big up and coming project for us is buying a wood boiler. It's a very expensive project, so we need to make sure we get the thing right.
Yes.
We want to heat our house with it, our powerhouse behind us, and also a future workshop.
Even though the first 2 stops that we made entailed a lot of driving and they were a miss, one of the cool parts of the day was we were able to jump on a little learning opportunity there with the kids and stop to check out some of the wind turbines.
Yeah, those wind turbines, they're a little bit further west than we are, and they power a lot of homes in that area with those turbines.
They do. You can see them along the tops of both West Virginia mountains and some of the Maryland
Yeah, Maryland
ones.
side also.
So that was neat. The kids got to learn some facts. We all did, actually. But then we were on to the next wood boiler place, which was another hour away east, like Josh had said.
This place was a win. We got great information. We know all the parts and pieces. We know the price, so we're ready to go.
We got the wood boiler place checked off of our list, and next we are on to take a look at some natural stone. Josh, daydreaming? What do you think?
I like the flagstone the best.
I do too.
That one.
They have tons of great options here. I definitely think we're going to be able to find what we're looking for to put around the fireplace.
We did make a purchase. We did buy some stone for the fireplace. You guys got to wait and see. It's really, really awesome.
Yeah, we're really excited about that project. So all
Yes.
in all, the only bummer from the day was that we were not able to get the final window for this new dormer. It wasn't ready, so we couldn't pick it up. But we did make some progress on getting everything planned out and prepared and ordered for our upcoming projects, which is huge.
Yeah, so we're going to be shooting to get the entire exterior of the house finished and done.
Yeah,
All
the
the windows, yep.
the siding, everything.
Everything's coming in here within the next week and a half. So we'll be hitting hard on that, and so that entire exterior is done.
Yes. So we might have to drop back for a second. We're gonna finish up that drywall, and then it's game on with the exterior and then the interior.
Yeah.
So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll be giving you guys an update on all the babies that have been born around the farm, and we're gonna be doing a Q&A soon. So
Yes.
we're looking forward to that, and yeah, thanks for watching.
See ya. Thanks. You ready?
I got that.
What? Did you?
Yeah. I will put you to club music in a heartbeat.
My belly hurts.
You know all that chips and queso you ate, dude.
Delish, by the way. You hated on it too last night, and you ate
That
it.
stuff was trash, dude.
It was trash.
disgusting.
You dipped until it was
I'm
gone.
hungry.
You
I'm
dipped
hungry.
until it was gone. You're right. It is.
I'm hungry.
Was trash compared to what I'm used to.
Yeah, but
Okay.
I'm hungry.
I'm gonna learn how to make chorizo dip. I'm gonna learn.
First, you gotta learn how to spell it.
It's not hard. Chorizo, chorizo, right?
Now spell supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
What word? It's not even a word.
supercalifragilistic
Okay. Well,
EX.
Let me throw a challenge at you, okay? If I bought something from you for $55, okay?
Okay.
I give you a $100 bill and 10 cents. Give me the change back.
Why can't we have a nice round number, Josh?
Okay, give me the check. Okay, I give you $100 bill with 10-cent piece also. Give me my change back. It's $55.
Okay.
Exactly.
No, I will. I'm gonna get. So you'd get 90 cents and $44.90. $44.90.
Give you a $100 bill with a 10-cent piece. You give me a 10-cent piece
Wait,
back.
a $100 bill with a 10-cent piece?
Yes.
Why?
Because I knew you'd mess it up. That's why I said that. So you give me $45 with my 10-cent piece back.
Hold on, what'd you buy? You bought something for $55.
Yes. So you give me back $45.
Huh? What?
I give you a $100 bill.
Okay.
I bought something for $55.
Yes.
And I gave you a $100 bill with a 10-cent piece, dime.
Okay.
You give me back $45.10. I mean, give me back 10 pennies if you want to. I mean, see? See, I can't spell, she can't count. So we're perfect for each other. How you doing?
Chuck, the love of my life, my moon and stars, my one and only.
That's why she talks to the dog. You can do your voice for him? From the camera?
Gosh, just stop.
Oh, give me your voice.
No.
Do the voice. No. You hear Shine My Lightning. He talks to you.
He's a hunk of burning love. The dog, not the
His breath smells like hot trash.